Audio and sound effects in this video were created using audio.com. Use the link in the description to get 10% off.
Just a disclaimer, today's product was sent to me free of charge for this review. However, as always, the company has no influence on this video, and they're not reviewing it before it's being published, and all the opinions you're going to hear are my own. So you may have seen in previous videos, this is basically the main desk that I use to shoot all my B-roll footage. But it is also the desk that I use for everything else, including fixing things or charging devices. And that's what this video is about. More importantly, organizing the cables on your desk. So if your desk looks something like this, where you have multiple cables kind of lying around, not organized at all, then today's video is a solution for you. So basically, in my case, I have this power bar on the wall, and I've got these cables that go into these adapters to charge them. So if you want to turn this into this, what you need is these magnetic charging cables made by magtame. You can get these cables in different flavors. You can get USB-A to Lightning, USB-A to USB-C, USB-C to Lightning, or USB-C to USB-C. And the beauty of them is, like I said, they stick to each other, they are magnetic, which makes it very easy to organize them. They basically crawl up in this kind of a bundle, and if you want to use more than one, you can just simply stack them together. Just line them up, they'll stick together. It makes it so much easier to organize things. Another optional thing you can get is this power adapter. This is not made by the same company. This is made by Anker. I purchased this because I wanted my setup to be as clean as possible, so to replace basically these ones with this one. It's much slicker, it just works, and also in my case, I need a micro USB cable for some of my chargers, so I got this little adapter. Now, this is also not made by the same company, but it kind of looks like it is, and it fits nicely. And the last thing I would get is this hook made by 3M that simply attaches to the wall to keep things really nicely organized and out of sight. So hopefully this video helped you to stay organized with your cables. Links to everything can be found in the description. Please stay tuned for more, and if you like this video, subscribe and tell your friends. Thanks.
Color grading and film emulation in this video was done using Dehancer Pro. Use promo code FILMMAKINGTODAY and get 10% off any of their software. See link in the description.